Hey, I'm Emma, and today I'm going to be teaching some stand-up paddle fundamentals. Covering how to choose the right sup for you, how to assemble an inflatable sup, basic safety, sup maintenance, and some simple techniques to improve your performance on the board. Today our board of choice will be the 10-8 iSup from Solstice Water Sports. Regarded as a beginner sup, we wanted to test its limits by handing it over to professional big wave surfer Tereva David as he pushes the envelope at the iconic wave Chopu. And now for the test. Almost immediately, Tereva finds himself on an awesome wave. But the aluminum oar that came with the kit already has a kink in it from the sheer force Tereva puts into his paddle stroke. The board seems to be too long for such a steep and hollow wave, giving Tereva a lesson head first. The inflatable sup acts like a buoy, flying in the air, pulling Tereva along by his leash. Time to bail! Overall, not the best board for Chopu. Maybe it's best to keep this sup in lagoons instead. Now let's learn how to set up our inflatable sup for a casual paddle. Our kit comes with one folded up sup, a pump, a screw-in fin, a leash, and an adjustable paddle. Check your equipment, make sure your sup is inflated to the recommended PSI and your paddle is set up to the correct height, 1 shaka above your head. Wear a PFD, preferably allowing for better mobility while paddling. If you can, bring a sat phone or a cell phone in case of emergency. When you get on your board, make sure to start on your knees or you might end up like that. Build momentum starting on your knees. The board is naturally more stable under speed. Get up on your feet using your hands, spread out equally in front of you with one hand holding the oar. Once you're on your feet, look forward and immediately start paddling to keep up the momentum. For the best stroke, make sure you're holding the oar the correct way. Many find this to be counterintuitive, but it is in fact the correct method and disperses water more efficiently, creating a more hydrodynamic glide. Make sure your hands are spread out to even the load on your body while paddling. When you alternate hands, make sure to maintain that distance about halfway down the oar. And most important tip of all, practice makes perfect. And don't be afraid to get wet. When you're done your session, rinse off your board with fresh water and store it in a cool, dry place. And if you want to store it inflated, just make sure to let out a little bit of air beforehand. And don't forget to add that air back into the SUP before you use it again, because if you're Tereva, you're going to need every last inch of air pressure in that SUP.